So I am going to continue on, and I forgot the holes. I'll add them later, but I'm going to build the next piece. I do want to rename this part so it has a name as it shows up later on. So this is my base. Okay, so the base is designed. I add my new part in place. I do want to remind you that I am just winging this. I have not practiced, so there may be mistakes. Now I'm going to do the cap. So let me rename this for the sheet, and then I will rename the parts later. I'm going to start this the same way, starting along my front. And I'll start my sketch. I don't want to see any of these planes, so I turn them off. I'm going to go normal too. I like the idea of starting with a construction line at the proper height. And now I'm going to just create the basic feature again. So align. This is 3.5. This time I'm adding the dimensions as I draw. So here's my basic feature. I could mirror this. Now I could have drawn this from the top. I just decided to follow the same pattern that I went with on the first video. So that was a mistake. So mirror, select mirror line. Okay, this is an extrude, and I'm looking for symmetric and a distance of 3 again. I'm going to create on the outside the same exact way I did on the other drawing. So I make my sketch, normal to, construction line, that should have gone tangent, so I will add a relation there. So I'm drawing one line across. There we go. Now that is tangent. I need a line across the top. Tangent formed. And I can trim. I don't need this information. So now a couple dimensions. I need the 3.5. Type D does bring up the dimension tool. And now I need a diameter of 0.75. And I'm going to close this off and mirror in 3D. So I'm extruding at 0.5. In this situation, now I need to mirror over what is the right plane because I kept the planes in the center. So I'm going to choose mirror, and the mirror plane is the right. The entities to mirror, I don't want a part, I want a feature. It's going to be extrude 2. So bring that over, except adding another mirror now. This time it will be over the front plane. And then the entities are not a part, they're a feature. I'm going to choose mirror 2. Doesn't want to let me do both, so I will do the mirror the way that I just did. So again, like I told you guys before, I had not practiced this, so I was going to have some hiccups. So my mirror plane is the right, the entities to mirror, mirror 3. Well, there we go. 1 and 2. Got it to work. There were some errors. Sketching again, selecting the plane, and I'm just using project as I find this faster. And removing through all. All right, I do need to add the holes to the top. I guess I will add those on this one. So I'm starting my sketch. You go normal to. I like the idea of some construction lines. I'm not sure why this one is red. There we go. And I need a couple circles. So there's one here, here, one here. So I selected all of those, and this would be symmetric. So left to right, those are now symmetric. And now, selecting center and the other center line, these are symmetric. Sorry, forgot to mirror. So I don't need the symmetric relation. Now, if I move this, they both should move in either direction. So that will help on my dimensioning part. And then mirror. All 6 holes are the same size. Let's see if there's an equal. There is. Now they're all equal in size. They are 0.516 in diameter. It's dimension 1. And the spacing is 1.5 away from one another. And 3 inches from the center. And then these are located in line with this edge. Let's see if I can just add a relation. It's horizontal. That would fully define it. It's not. There we go. Now they're horizontal. And an extrude cut, I'm removing through all. And that completes the cap. I will draw the bushing in the next file or video.